Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene of Paris, and today is great because I'm joined with Mika. Mika is an amazing wig. She's heat friendly, she's trendy, she's got bounce, she's got swing, she's got everything that we're about here at Rene of Paris, and she is so wearable. Let's take a look. I'm loving how this is cut around the face. It's what I call an invisible layer, meaning that if you were to brush this into here, into the existing hair, the bulk of the hair, it disappears. However, if you want to accentuate that, look, you have these long bangs sitting from underneath the jaw and cheekbones, just looks great. Same with the layers, all face framing layers, really attractive and very flattering. I love the base length. Let me show you. So I look at the base length, you see our mannequins have like the shoulders here, so it bounces off the shoulder really nicely. And you see from the other side where the shoulder's a bit lower, how it sits as well. Gorgeous. Looking at the back, now look at that, how that's laid in. Those layers are just looking amazing. Really nicely cut, almost cut like a feathered edge, like a razored edge. This is just something else. This wig is Mika, and I love her. And now let's have a look at the cap construction. Mika is a heat-friendly wig with a partial mono part, extended lace, an open wefted cap, and adjustable straps in at the nape.